Do you often forget to bring a high-power charging cable when heading out, or find your bag full of tangled cables? The IC Box Heart Charge 1,200-watt gallium nitride charger is designed to solve exactly that problem. It combines powerful 100-watt charging with a built-in retractable cable, so you no longer have to deal with cable clutter or messy desks. This charger uses high-efficiency gallium nitride technology to deliver a total output of 100 watts in an impressively compact form. The built-in USB Type-C charging cable can provide the full 100 watts on its own, making it powerful enough to run high-performance notebooks or quickly recharge your devices whenever you need it. Let us take a look at its power layout. In addition to the 70cm retractable USB Type-C cable located at the bottom, it also includes an extra USB Type-C port that supports up to 100 watts, along with a USB-A port that delivers up to 30 watts. With dynamic power distribution, a single charger can handle your notebook, tablet, and smartphone at the same time. Another highlight is the 1.33-inch color TFT display on the front. It shows the exact power output of each port in real time. When the USB Type-C output exceeds 90 watts, the power bar visually changes from purple to gold and activates a dynamic flashing effect. You can also press and hold the touch button to rotate the screen by 90 degrees, allowing the display to stay readable no matter how the charger is plugged in. The built-in smart temperature control system shows the real-time thermal status through a visual progress bar. If the temperature reaches the red warning level, the charger will automatically reduce the output to 70 watts to protect your devices. It can even record the duration of each charging session down to the minute and hour, and the data remains visible for 10 minutes after the device is unplugged, giving you a clear view of every charging cycle. Safety always comes first. The Heart Charge 1002 includes a full range of protection mechanisms, including short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, and overvoltage protection. The housing is made from V0 rated fire-resistant material, ensuring that every high-power charging session remains safe and reliable. With its powerful 100-watt output, innovative retractable cable design, and intuitive full-color TFT monitoring display, Heart Charge 1002 breaks away from the traditional charger design. It not only simplifies what you carry with you, but also becomes a reliable power hub that keeps your digital workflow running smoothly.